Hi friends, in my last video I spoke about financial freedom for working women, and now in this video I'm talking about financial freedom for non-working women, for women who are not working, who are housewives or homemakers. Well, reinforcing on the fact that financial freedom is extremely important, very critical for every woman, not only for her own self, but for the betterment of the society as a whole. For generations to come, if the woman of the house is financially free and financially literate, it will help the entire generation. And that is why this video is very, very important for everyone to hear and to also share it with all your women colleagues, friends, or relatives. Okay, so let's get started. We're talking about how a non-working woman or how a housewife who is not having any source of income of her own self, how she can achieve financial freedom. I'm going to share some very, very practical tips with you, which are going to be a bulb on for you, right? Which are going to give you instant bulb on where you can start implementing from today itself. So stay put right till the end of this video and take some notes as well. Hi friends, I'm Swati Arora. I'm a woman career growth coach, and today I'm talking about financial freedom for non-working women or for homemakers. And you know the drill. Before we go ahead, click on the subscribe button so that you can get access to all my videos right up front. So let's get started. So if you're a homemaker who's never earned anything or who has no income of her own self, I want you to follow these tips now from here on so that you can get financial freedom for yourself. The first thing that you need to do is obviously goes without saying, get yourself educated or aware of the financial terms. Get yourself, learn about it, read about it, go through YouTube videos, go through tutorials where you can understand basic finances of household budgeting and household finance management so that you know how expenses can be managed in your house. And then get yourself into the budgeting and investing of your house as well. Make sure that you ask your spouse or whoever is doing the finance management for your house to involve you in the budgeting. You may want to shadow them, you may want to see them in the beginning to understand how it works, how the finance management works, and then you may want to start doing it yourself. But right now, the first step to do anything is get yourself educated or aware about the financial terms. Understand how does the entire finance management system works. If your household income is say 50,000 rupees every month, how much expenses should you be doing? How much should you be spending outside? How much should you be having debts around it? How much should be your savings for future? How much should be your long-term savings? How much should be your short-term savings? So understand all of that and then get into the budgeting part of it as well. That is the first step towards understanding and becoming financially free, or even starting towards becoming financially free, I would say. The second step is set goals for your financial planning. Very importantly, and it's very important for you to have goals for your financial security for a small term, for a short term goal. You could have some small savings, and you could in ancient times also we all used to do that. Our grandmothers used to do that. Hide some amount into the grain basket or hide some amount into the fruit basket, etc. So I'm not saying all of that, but yeah, try to save some amount from your monthly expenses for your rainy days, for your future time, right? And that could be again allocated into goal wise bifurcation. For example, you need some savings to be done immediately after a year. You could have one account for that or one place where you can keep that amount for yourself. The second section could be, you could have a long-term plan for yourself. Maybe you want to go out with your friends after 2 years for a girls trip, or maybe you want to spend something, give your husband or your child something as a gift, as a memorial. So you could keep that as a saving as well. Whatever it could be, set goals, small or short or long-term goals for your financial saving. The next is have a frugal lifestyle. I had mentioned that earlier as well. Frugal lifestyle means that try to cut down on expenses, try to go for any unnecessary expenses which are happening in the house. For example, if you're ordering food outside quite very often, for example, in a month, in 30 days, if you're ordering 20 days from outside, can that be avoided? Can that be cut down a little bit? For example, if there's extra expenditure happening because of fuel or anything else which is going way beyond the budget, try to cut that down, because the money saved is going to be your investment, right? Your investment for yourself, for your children, for your family's future. So look at a frugal lifestyle as well. The third thing that you could do as a housewife, as a homemaker, is that you could get some part, or some, you could play some part in investing. For example, I know a lot of my friends who are homemakers, who are actively involved in the investments of their household. For example, when they know that every month I have X amount of money which needs to be saved, they have acquainted themselves for what are the kind of investment portfolios available in the market. They are into trading, they are into mutual funds, they are into stocks, they are also into various other instruments, wherever, maybe real estate as well, or even gold. Whatever it is, get yourself educated, get yourself well versed with these instruments which are available in the market, so that you can then take charge of the investment of the house. And you need to know that you know where your investments are going, whether they're going in the right hand or no. So get into investing. If your household has certain amount in your kitty as every month as savings, then you should be managing those investments in a proper way, because you would have, you know, more knowledge about it. You could gather more knowledge about it. So just get into investment portfolio management of your house. The other thing that you can do is, you could also think of starting a small business out of the comfort of your home. I know a lot of homemakers, and during the pandemic especially, I've myself helped many women to start their own startup from the comfort of their home. Small things which are inclined to you, which you can think you can start. For example, there are many women who start a catering business from the home, or maybe a baking business from home, or maybe they get into handicrafts or artifacts, or even into caricature or paintings. There are many mom bloggers which have come up during the during this journey. There are many small e-commerce or drop shipping companies which have emerged from the households, and all managed by homemakers. So think about all those things, and there are multiple facets. I will, in one of my videos, I will share with you on what kind of multiple businesses you can start from the comfort of your home, being a homemaker. And but all you need to do is first need to understand what is your inclination towards, what are you good at, what is your interest area, and how you think you can make money in that. And you can start really, really small in that area as well. Start to research about it, start to become aware about it, start to talk to people who are already doing that business, so that you have more confidence in that. Also, you could hire a coach or a mentor who could help you actually build up and stabilize your business. So that ways you will no more be a homemaker, you will be an entrepreneur then. So think about those lines as well when you talk about financial freedom for yourself. Another very important thing that a lot of homemakers do proactively, and I would recommend all of you to do, is that you could invest in your own education, pursue education. When I say education, I'm not saying go back to college or school and go for higher education. I'm talking about upgrading your skills, upskilling yourself to be able to live in the kind of lifestyle that you have. And even if you want to start your own career, start your own business, go back into the corporate world, you can do that yourself. So upskill yourself, and there are multiple ways to do that. Needless to say, there are so many courses available online, there are so many workshops available, there are so many mentors and coaches available who can help you, guide you, take you through in the right direction, to upskill you and to actually provide you a better future. So this is the time, when you have that time in hand, go ahead, make a plan for your education as well, for pursuing your further education as well, in the right interest level that you may have. Go ahead and upskill yourself as well. That's one thing which will help you build your financial freedom even better in the future. And last but not the least, you can build your networking skills. As homemakers, I've seen a lot of women are already good at networking, at collaborating with different people, different societies, different clans, etc. But use these skills for your business venture, for your future career, for your own financial freedom as well. While right now you may be doing your own networking, but utilize this to think about, how can I utilize my core group, maybe my building group, or maybe my society group, or maybe my friend circle. How can I utilize them to enhance in my business? strategy? Can I get more acquaintances for my business? Can I get more alliances for my business? Can I collaborate with other entrepreneurs, maybe female entrepreneurs, to increase my business? Think about those from those lines, that your networking skills can come into play in your own business as well, which you're running from your own house. So think about these lines on how you can build your financial freedom using all these points. So just a quick recap for a homemaker. If you are one, if you're at home, a stay-at-home woman or a stay-at-home mom, and you're not having your own income, this is the best time for you, and this is the best chance for you to actually become financially free by doing all these pointers, which means first, understanding and learning about financial freedom, financial management, getting yourself into the budgeting and investing of the house, getting yourself acquainted with the various investment portfolios which are available in the industry, and actively participating in the household investments. Also looking into what are the different other passive income streams that I can generate, what are the different sources, what are the different businesses that I can get into. Look for those avenues as well. And another point is also educate yourself, upskill yourself, so that you can handle your business, or even if you have to go back to your career, you can do that with ease tomorrow. So all these pointers will definitely help you from becoming not a homemaker but a home manager, and manage your finances in your house effectively and becoming financially free. That's it from my side, friends. I hope this video was beneficial for you. Do let me know in the comments if you like this video, and I will definitely be very happy to hear from you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.